Okay, and along with our all-digital drone, we have an all-digital controller. So what we have here is actually a modified Valve Steam Deck. And so normal Steam Deck, we're running Arch Linux on this. We're running QGC on it. You can see we have our live video from the aircraft down there. We have our map in the corner here. Also switch between the map and the display. A little happy there. And of course move around. We also have control of the mouse with our touchpads here, so that way you can actually access functions and other things without taking your hands off the controls. And then on the back we have this module here. So this is a Doodle Labs Nano OEM module, another circular polarized antenna. And then in here is essentially a USB hub to allow you to access the other devices, other functions through this USB port, so you can still, while this is connected, charge the device, get DisplayPort or HDMI video out, Ethernet out, any other function like that. And these are just full x86 computers running in this case Arch Linux. They can also run Windows. They have 16 gigs of RAM, built-in SSDs, graphics cards with ray tracing, which are way overkill for video streaming. And so they're very powerful, very capable ground stations, and fairly simple to put together. In this case, we'll go ahead and demonstrate it flying the aircraft.